Hello and welcome back to a new outdoor adventure. This time is bike maintenance. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna replace my 180 rotor with a 203 rotor. I felt like I need more power to stop, so the upgrade that I can do is 203 here on the front. I already have the 4 pistons on the front. Is the already 4 piston brakes. So what I need basically is the rotor. So I bought a 203. This is an XT rotor. So I'm gonna try not to touch it. So this is the rotor, and it comes shipped with lock ring. So basically my wheels are with the center lock, so comes shipped with this type of ring, which I also actually have on this wheel. Because of this mountain bike hubs on the front, the regular lock rings, the smaller ones, they don't fit over the hub, so you will need one of this. On the quick release hubs, they do go over the smaller ones, but not on the boost 15mm hubs. So going back, this is the rotor, and to go from 180 to 203 you will need an extender. So this is a disc brake mount adapter. It's just specific to this size, so it's a 203 SMMA 203P/PM. So this is what you need. It comes with the adapter, and also comes with this is the lock, and it comes with screws. So a longer screw that goes on the top, shorter screw that goes on the bottom, and spacers. Alright, so let's get to work. I'm going to use my tools. I have the Pro Bike tools, and I'm going to use a bottom bracket tool to open the other rotor. So right now I already unscrew the axle, so I can pull out the wheel. So this is the rotor. So using this key, I am just going to unscrew this, and it says lock to 40 Newton meters back. So the changing is straightforward. Just pick up the old rotor from the center lock, put in the tools, and put the new one in. So it has a warning. You have to be careful not to touch it. So take this off. So put the new rotor in. It has 2 sides. This is the side that comes on the wheel, so this is the back side. So there's no way you can screw this up. And put the rotors in and lock. And if you have something to measure with 40 Newton meters, sure, that will be great, but that's about it. Okay, so now that the rotor is changed on the wheel, I'm going to focus on the brake. So basically the brake right now, the fork I have is it's a Rockshox Revelation. Is a 180mm post. So the 180mm rotor was like no adapter was needed, but now I have to move this a little bit back, so that's where this comes in. So this will go, it says up, so this will go on top like this, So in order to replace the, not to replace, to add the adapter, if we look at the instructions, it says the long screw goes on the top, the short goes on the bottom, and it shows how the washers come. So there's two types of washers. There's a flat one and there's a conical one. So basically this goes like this, this goes like this, and that's pretty much it. Alright, so using my pro bike tools, I'm going to take the brakes off. So first, if you have this type of protection, take it off. The new adapter comes with one, and let's take this off. Yeah, so I finished taking the screws. Just left this hanging, but I want to show you. So these are the screws that I took off. They're both the same, and you can see the new ones are way longer, and it also comes with a lock like the older ones, and also the other screw is a little bit longer. So let's put this on, and this one goes first and the conical one goes second. Okay, and the other one the same. Everything is ready, screws are ready. Bigger one on the top, smaller one on the bottom. Let's take this and install the brake back. So it says here top, so this goes on the top, and I have the longer screw that's gonna go here and into the fork. Okay, and I'm gonna take the smaller one, put it at the bottom, and take my key and start screwing back in. And I'm not going to go all the way. I'm going to let this loose because I will need to center the brakes. So for now, I'm going to let this loose. Just and now I'm gonna try to install the wheel with a new rotor in place. Okay, let's take the axle. And I'm gonna tighten the axle, and I think the axle says between 11 and 13 Newton meters. I usually do 11.5 to 12, so that's 11.5. Alright, so the wheel is in place. Now I'm gonna just try to center this, and the way I do that and Let's check the torque, 6 to 8 Newton meters. So let's move this to 6. 6, 6, 6. Okay, so now we're at 8. Let's move it to 7. Just in the middle. That's a 7. Alright, so the way I center this, I squeeze the front brake while this is loose. Squeeze the front brake and tighten. 1, and 2, and there you go. Okay, so we have to do this again, little by little. Didn't center correctly. Alright, so that's it, all good. So that is how you replace a rotor and increase the size from 180 to 203. Thank you guys for watching, and hope I'm gonna see you in the next video.